Hi, Jason Walsh with Net Distributing to discuss the 36-inch Forza range. As you can see, this beautiful range comes in 6 different colors: red, orange, yellow, blue, black, and white. What's nice about the color option is you get to keep the door that comes with the range. Forza has a infinity range top. Not only do you see the infinity design within the range top, you can come all the way out to the edge without worrying about your pan scraping your stainless steel surface, as we have a bull nose on the front of the range. Forza has provided red racing stripes on their knobs. If you choose to have just stainless, we offer that as a kit accessory as well. The 36-inch Forza range has a very large oven cell, 5.4 cubic feet, built-in pan that allows you to roast across the entire surface, because like our 48, the 36-inch range also provides the MassimoBlu Broiler. If you'd like to test drive the 36-inch Forza, please visit us at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. They're located in Calabasas, Costa Mesa, Torrance, and Studio City.